In this video, I'm going to show you how to start Rainmeter on startup. Now, the first thing you want to do here on Windows, you want to go down here to your taskbar, go inside search and look for run. Okay, so just type in run and click on here. And this is exactly what you want to type in here is shell startup. Okay, so whenever you type that in, click on OK, and this is going to open up an empty folder, or of course you could have some things in here, whatever. This should be the folder you're in. It's called startup. From here, go ahead and go to the search box again, look for Rainmeter, right click on it and click on open file location. It's going to open the location file here, and it's going to be the shortcut. Click on Rainmeter, and then you want to right click and copy it. Okay, so click copy, and then you want to exit this, go back into your startup folder we just opened, and you want to paste it in here. So right click, paste, and now your Rainmeter should be inside your startup folder. From here, what you have to do is you want to go down here to your taskbar, right click anywhere where there's empty space and click on Task Manager. And then in here, you want to go to Startup Apps here on the left. So click on this button which says Startup Apps. And in here, you now should be able to find Rainmeter. So if I scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see it. Let me find it. There we go. Rainmeter. And make sure that status is set to enabled. Okay, so if it's disabled like this, make sure you click on it, click on enable up top, and then the status should be enabled. And now whenever you open up your computer for the next time, Rainmeter will start on startup. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.